Hey campers, ready to take your car camping experience to the next level? In today's video, we're diving into the top car camping gadgets for 2024 that will bring you all the comfort and convenience you need. From staying warm and cozy to keeping your gear powered up, we've got the ultimate camping gear lined up for you. Whether you're a weekend warrior or planning a longer adventure, these gadgets will make your trip smoother, more comfortable, and totally stress-free. Let's get right into it. Let's kick things off with the BioLite FirePit Plus, your ultimate portable campfire solution. This smokeless fire pit not only keeps you warm, but also doubles as a grill. With Bluetooth-enabled control, you can adjust the flame intensity right from your phone. Whether you're camping, at the beach, or just enjoying a backyard fire, this is a must-have. Pair it with your next gadget for the ultimate campsite experience. Once your fire's going, it's time to light up the rest of your camp with the Etekcity camping lantern. Compact, collapsible, and ultra-bright, it ensures you've got perfect lighting for setting up camp or reading at night. It's rugged enough to handle outdoor conditions, making it the perfect sidekick to your BioLite FirePit Plus. With these two, you're set for cozy and well-lit evenings at camp. Let's keep those pesky mosquitoes away while you enjoy the warmth and light. The Thermacell E55 mosquito repeller creates a 20-foot barrier against mosquitoes. No sprays, no mess. Just turn it on and enjoy your bug-free zone. Whether you're cooking over the BioLite or lounging under the Etekcity lantern, the Thermacell ensures comfort all night long. After a fun night outdoors, you'll want a good night's sleep, and the Luno Air Mattress 2.0 delivers just that. Designed for your car, it inflates quickly, giving you a cozy, supportive bed in minutes. No more uncomfortable ground sleeping. It's perfect after a relaxing evening by the fire. Pair it with the Thermacell to stay bite-free while you sleep in comfort. Now, let's power all these awesome gadgets. The Goal Zero Yeti 500 is a portable power station that can keep your lantern, phone, and even your BioLite FirePit Plus going all night. Compact but powerful, it's your campsite's lifeline. No more worrying about your gadgets running out of juice. With the Yeti 500, you're fully charged and ready for anything. Next, you'll need a sturdy surface for meals and gear, and the REDCAMP folding camping table has you covered. It's lightweight, easy to set up, and perfect for holding everything from your Goal Zero Yeti to your camp meals. Whether you're prepping dinner or charging your devices, this table keeps your camp organized and clutter-free. Capture every moment of your adventure with the GoPro Hero 12 Black. This rugged action camera is ready for any adventure, whether you're hiking, swimming, or just chilling at camp. Waterproof, durable, and able to shoot in 4K, it's the perfect way to document your trip. Use the REDCAMP table to set up the perfect shot or capture some behind-the-scenes moments. Stay hydrated with the Hydro Flask Day Escape, a soft cooler that keeps your drinks and snacks ice cold for hours. Perfect for day trips or long camping adventures, this cooler is the ideal companion for your outdoor meals. Set it up on the REDCAMP table for easy access to refreshing drinks throughout the day. For chilly nights, the Antarctica Gear sleeping bag keeps you warm and snug no matter the temperature. Combined with the Luno Air Mattress, it provides a luxurious sleeping experience in your car. No more freezing nights. This sleeping bag is ready to handle any weather. Perfect for those looking to camp in comfort no matter the season. After a long day of exploring, freshen up with the BAMACAR portable solar shower. Powered by the sun, this shower gives you a warm, relaxing rinse at the end of the day. Whether you're rinsing off after a hike or just cleaning up for bed, it's the perfect way to stay fresh while camping. Pair it with the Antarctica Gear sleeping bag for a clean, cozy, and comfortable end to your camping day.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.